Hi, it's Peter from positivemusic.com.au. This video we're going to look at the bass line supporting drum roll to the djembes from my free djembe drumming ebook. If you haven't received this as a gift, it's free. I'll leave a link under the video. So this video will help you to learn more rhythm and also help your musicality. So in our last video, I showed you three djembe parts. So those three djembe parts sound beautifully once they're put together. Now, as you may notice, so each djembe is tuned differently, so they don't sound all the same. So we have a warm sounding djembe, then a medium pitch, and then a high pitched djembe. So it becomes more musical when we have different pitched djembes. And so what we're going to check out is the low part, low drum part. So we're going to be using sticks, medium drum part, and the high pitch drum part. I'm going to show you two bell patterns that go with the low bass line. So if you can imagine that the low bass drum part, the line here using these three drums, is the foundation, and all the other instruments and all the other rhythms are based on this particular rhythm. So they fit together beautifully. The low pitched drums help ground all the other instruments. And so I'm going to show you individually each drum part, the rhythm of each drum, and then we're going to put these three drum parts together. So you can either have three people playing each drum and each bell, or you can have one person playing all three. So now let's go and check out the drum parts. Thank you so much for tuning in. What is your favourite instrument to play? Is it the djembe, maybe congas? Is it stick drums, dun drums, African drums? Are there any challenges that you're facing right now with rhythm, understanding, timing, or anything like that? Leave a comment below. I'd love to know. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll leave a link under here for the djembe drumming ebook. Bye. Now, a little gift for you as you continue to build your djembe drumming skills. So I wanted to help you out as much as I could. So I've added some great African drumming rhythms for djembe and ensemble drums that accompany the djembe, called 7 Easy Steps to Develop Rhythm, Technique, Timing and Feel in an ebook. So it's filled with lots of tips on technique and how to improve your timing and feel to really take your playing to the next level. This is my gift to you and something that can accompany you on your drumming journey. You can grab your copy for absolutely free. Just go to positivemusic.com.au/free djembe drumming and download it right there and then. So if you already know lots of djembe rhythms, there are so many dun, sangban and kenkeni rhythms in this ebook that accompany the djembe. So it's also building your musical skills as well. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing to these videos. So I'll see you in the next video in this series. Thank you and see you soon.